what what brought this on? Was there something or someone in your past that gave you
Yeah.
this heart of gold, the willingness to reach out to the less fortunate?
Maybe because my father was also professor, no? And also my lola kasi is also a professor, no?
Oh,
And
wow.
then so my lolo dati, I
Mm-mm.
remember we had the boarding house, no, sa Bicol. So may mga time there are a lot of students talaga residing, no, in our apartment, no. Yung mga nakita ko doon parang walang-wala sila, no. Sabi ng
Wow.
lolo ko, okay lang yan basta you should study, no.
Mm-mm.
Bayaran niyo na lang ako if you finish your study. Parang ganun. So that's why and because of my lolo, no, I am a certified public accountant kasi siya yung nagpaaral sa akin, no. Sabi ko I will help others, no.
Mm-mm.
For me, that's my advocacy in life, no, to help others, to the less fortunate, no,
Mm-mm.
para they can also afford to go to school and also to take the CPA board exam.